A lot of people think AI is simply replacing jobs overnight. But the bigger shift happening right now is much quieter than that. Companies are restructuring how work itself gets done. Across industries, organizations are redesigning workflows, reducing fixed labor overhead, integrating automation, and building smaller teams supported by AI systems, contractors, and digital platforms. Research from organizations including McKinsey, Deloitte, Microsoft, the World Economic Forum, and other workforce studies suggest many companies are no longer just experimenting with AI tools. They are changing operational models around them. That means the workforce itself is evolving. Instead of rapidly expanding permanent payrolls, some organizations are increasingly relying on freelancers, fractional specialists, consultants, project-based experts, and AI-assisted systems. Upwork research reported strong growth in AI-related freelance work, while workforce reports suggest many organizations are becoming more comfortable using flexible labor models to access specialized skills and scale operations more efficiently. The goal for many companies is flexibility. Smaller core teams, faster execution, lower fixed overhead, more scalable systems. At the same time, AI is also reshaping how teams function internally. Microsoft describes the rise of what it calls human agent teams. In these environments, humans increasingly focus on decision-making, supervision, validation, workflow management, critical thinking, and strategic direction, while AI systems assist with repetitive tasks, research, organization, summarization, and operational support. In other words, many companies are not completely removing humans from workflows. They are redesigning the relationship between people, systems, and labor itself. Remote work also became part of this transformation. Work from home did not disappear. Instead, it evolved into globally distributed digital labor systems supported by cloud infrastructure, automation, collaboration software, and AI-assisted workflows. Organizations now have access to broader talent pools, international hiring, contractor ecosystems, and digital workforce management systems in ways that were less common only a few years ago. Another major trend is the rise of digital labor systems. These systems include AI tools that can summarize meetings, support customer service, route tasks, organize documentation, assist with workflows, and automate operational processes. This changes what companies consider valuable work. Routine execution alone is becoming less central. Skills like systems thinking, AI literacy, workflow optimization, oversight, communication, validation, adaptability, and orchestration are becoming increasingly important inside modern organizations. The internet often frames AI as a simple replacement story, but the reality appears more complex. Companies are not only changing jobs, they are changing organizational structures, hiring models, workflows, operational systems, and even the company's idea of a team itself. The workforce is quietly restructuring around AI, and this transformation is still unfolding in real time. Key takeaways. The biggest takeaway from this research is that AI is not only changing jobs, it is changing how companies structure work itself. Many organizations are moving away from traditional workforce models built entirely around large permanent teams and are instead experimenting with smaller core teams, contractors, fractional specialists, AI-assisted systems, automation, and globally distributed labor structures. Another important takeaway is that workflow redesign appears to matter more than simple automation alone. Multiple reports suggest the strongest business impact often comes from redesigning how work flows through an organization rather than simply replacing individual tasks. The research also suggests that hybrid human plus AI teams are becoming increasingly common. In many environments, AI systems are being used to support research, summarization, customer support, documentation, workflow management, and operational assistance, while humans increasingly focus on decision-making, oversight, validation, strategy, exception handling, and orchestration. The contractor economy is also evolving alongside AI adoption. Organizations are increasingly using freelancers, consultants, project specialists, and fractional executives to gain faster access to specialized expertise without expanding long-term payroll overhead. Remote work also appears to be evolving rather than disappearing. The research suggests companies are becoming more comfortable operating with globally distributed teams supported by cloud infrastructure, automation systems, digital collaboration platforms, and AI-assisted workflows. Another major takeaway is that digital labor systems are becoming part of modern operational strategy. This includes AI agents, workflow automation systems, AI co-pilots, and enterprise AI tools that extend organizational capacity alongside human workers. For workers, the research suggests that routine execution alone may become less valuable over time. Skills that appear increasingly important include systems thinking, AI literacy, adaptability, communication, workflow optimization, critical thinking, oversight, validation, knowledge management, and orchestration. The research also suggests this transition is still early and uneven. Not all companies are fully restructuring around AI yet. Some organizations are experimenting cautiously, while others are aggressively redesigning workflows and operational systems. Perhaps the most important takeaway is this: the internet often frames AI as a simple replacement story, but the evidence suggests something more complex is happening. Companies are quietly redefining what a team looks like, how labor is sourced, how workflows operate, and what kinds of human contribution create the most value inside AI-assisted environments. AI is not only changing jobs, it is changing the company's idea of work itself. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Observations are based on publicly available workforce reports, academic studies, company statements, industry analysis, and technology research from organizations including McKinsey, Deloitte, Microsoft WorkLab, the World Economic Forum, Upwork Research Institute, Anthropic, Salesforce, ServiceNow, Remote, Deal, NBER Research, and additional publicly available workforce and AI research. Some visuals may be AI enhanced or AI generated for illustrative purposes only. Individual company decisions, labor outcomes, hiring practices, and economic conditions may vary.